everyone, Be the Amazing Greek here. Thank you for watching this video. Today we are going to be doing some test cuts to show you how the portable variable speed bandsaw from Harbor Freight, how good it is. This device has a variable speed trigger with a lock so that once you get to speed you can lock it into position, don't have to hold it. It also has a speed control knob here on the trigger itself, which you can turn to adjust the speed. Has the tensioning bar here for when you replace the belt. And to do that, it has 4 Phillips head screws, 2 on the back, 2 on the front, or back of the blade, front of the blade. And this cover right here comes off. Real easy to change the blade. Now, when you get the saw, it's very light. It's not as heavy as, like, say, I've used the Milwaukee brand at work. Those are much heavier. It does the same thing. I've cut through a lot of stuff with this one. It's very good. When you do buy it, it does come with a blade made for cutting soft material, wood, plastic, things like that. So they sell a pack of 3 of bimetal blades. And these are really good. I've used these on various jobs, and today we are going to cut various materials to show you how it works. No point in me talking about it. I'll show you exactly what it can do. Always remember, safety glasses. Make sure that your cord is not in the cutting path. We did some roof repairs here, and a member of our team cut right through the skill saw or circular saw power cord. So you don't want to do that. Copper tubing. Steel conduit, which they run electrical wire through. Rebar, 1/4 inch to 5/16. Half-inch rebar. Angle iron, 1/8 inch thick, 1.5 inches on the length. Last piece, 3/8 thick, 2 inches wide. This is from a bush hog frame. Piece of farm equipment. No problem. So with this cutting demonstration, I hope that this will set aside any aversion or fear that you might have about getting this particular tool. The cost is way less than similar brands. did the comparisons. Read the reviews. As with any company, not every tool is the best one. If you don't abuse your tools, they will work for you. I'm very happy with it. I could have cut some all thread, things like that, but I think the rebar is just as tough as all thread. The 3/8 thick metal, better than all thread. So it's a good tool. Hope this helps you in making a decision, not making a decision. I'm happy with it, and it's done good for me, the projects I've used it on. So thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful, and I'll catch you on the next one.